To post on the discussion board, all you have to do is go over to this sidebar menu right here and click on discussion board. If that's not showing up, if this menu isn't showing up, try clicking on this home button right here. That will collapse and expand the menu. So click on the discussion board, and then you will just find the discussion that you want to post on. So let's say you're doing the Chapter 1 discussion. You will click on that. And no one has posted yet. Let's say I want to create my post. So I click Create Thread, and I will just say discussion, maybe my name or something. I don't care what you put for your subject. And then you'll put your answer. And then you will just go down and submit. It is really as simple as that. And then when other people have posted, you'll be able to see their post down here, and you'll have the option to reply to them. And that is all it is for discussion boards. If you have any questions, just send me an email.